Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to use your PS4 controller on Battle.net. First, ensure your controller is fully charged or connected via a USB cable. Then, we will download and install the necessary software, DS4 Windows, which emulates an Xbox 360 controller. This allows your PlayStation 4 controller to be recognized by most PC games seamlessly, giving you a comfortable gaming experience on your computer. Let's get started. To begin, you will need the DS4 Windows application, which is available for free online. Download the latest version from a trusted source, like GitHub. You will also need either a micro USB cable for a wired connection or a Bluetooth adapter for wireless play. For Bluetooth, ensure your PC supports version 4.0 or higher for the best performance and stability during gameplay. This foundation is crucial for the next steps. Once DS4 Windows is installed, open the application and connect your PS4 controller. It should be automatically detected, and you can create a custom profile for your preferred button layouts. Take a moment to calibrate the joysticks and triggers for optimal responsiveness, ensuring zero input lag. You can save multiple profiles, for example, one for first-person shooters and another for fighting games, to switch easily. Next, open the Battle.net launcher and locate the Add a Game option, usually found at the top right corner. You can add non-Blizzard games to your library, which helps in launching them with DS4 Windows active. Before launching your chosen game, ensure DS4 Windows is running in the background and that your controller profile is active. This integration ensures the controller is recognized correctly in most titles.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.